let's have a look at how we can implement the guaranteed delivery in WSO2 ESB using message store and message processor. So I have an up and running ESB server and access to server and also an ActiveMQ instance. So first of all, let's log into the management console and let's try to create the message store. I have already created the message store called HistoCode message store. You can see I have set the store provider JMS message store, then I have set the initial context factory as ActiveMQ initial context factory and also the provider URL. Also, let's have a look at the message processor. Here also I have already created the message processor and you can see I have selected an endpoint which point to the simple stock code service which has been deployed in the simple access to server, and also I have message processor provider as the scheduled message forwarding processor which is the message processor I'm going to use in this case, and also the message store which is stock code message store. Also, I have proxy service called stock code MSMB proxy. Here, I have set two properties for setting the status code to 202, and as well as I am setting this as the out only message, and also I have the store mediator pointing to the stock code message store. Now, I am going to invoke the proxy service. So I am going to provide the get full code message and we will get the 202 accepted status code, and you can see the full code generation log is appeared in the access to server. Now I am going to shut down the access to server. Then again, let's see ActiveMQ queue. So there are no pending messages and I'm going to send the same request again. Now if you look at the ActiveMQ message queue, there is one pending message, which means the message cannot be sent to the desired endpoint. So in this moment, the message processor has been deactivated. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to restart the access to server. So the server is running again, and now I am going to activate the message processor. So we activated the message processor, and now you can see the full code generation log is appeared in the access to server's log. And also if you look at the message queue, there are no pending messages in the queue. So which means the guaranteed delivery has been successfully worked in this scenario.